The Chicago
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube. Y'all can see it's in I don't know why on this camera it look like it's folded up at that crease, but it's not. But anyway, I'm about to take this armrest off. Decide I think I'm gonna paint it black. I'm gonna try this one black. So I wanted to keep y'all informed. So let me get to it. How you take this armrest off is let me see. That screw. Those two, I believe, yeah, one underneath there. So, I'm gonna go on and do that. In round time over there. When you come to the crib, what you supposed to do? When you come in, what are you supposed to do? Alright then. Alright, cut y'all right back on. Okay, I got it off. Those little screws. Wiped it down with alcohol, with soap and water, then some alcohol, and then use my little pad, scuffed it up, Probably get this a little bit more, rub it down with some alcohol a little bit more real quick, and then we're gonna go and shoot it, paint it, see how it turns out. I was thinking, y'all know me, man. I might cut this out, make it hollow, put me some type of actuator, lift up, easy access to get to that strap. So, I don't know. We ain't on that part yet, but let me go on and put a coat of paint on here, go on outside to the garage. Okay, YouTube. I don't know if y'all can see it. I told y'all I broke my phone. Y'all can see the shiny areas like right up in here. See, I'm trying to knock the shine out. All I'm using is some cheap like dollar store 100 grit sandpaper and a red Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna do the Scotch-Brite last, but see if I can show y'all. Area right there, I could probably show y'all. I probably can go rougher than this, but I just be grabbing sandpaper, whatever I see in front of my face, really. Unless I'm actually doing some body work. Everybody do their stuff different. I just be trying shit, man. As y'all can see, just knocking that gloss off. So let me go and get back to it. Cut y'all back on, but y'all see the gloss is coming off. Give it something to stick to. And I'm just gonna Scotch-Brite it. Get the spraying, it ain't damaging it or nothing. Still got its coarse texture, whatever you wanna call it. Alright, cut y'all back on. Okay, YouTube, I got it painted. Painted it, went to the garage, painted it. Just got it up here drying. Just took it off the fan. So I can show y'all. I'm sitting here watching my man. You know, try to stay in tune with everybody. cut y'all back on after I put it back on and after dry and put it back on. See what y'all think. Alright. Just want to show y'all how it was. And I don't even know why it's that color, because nothing in the car that color. Seats not that color, nothing. I just threw them back up on there just for a mock-up to show y'all. And there you go. Got it all in there. In there like swimwear. And there's a couple cuts I made accidentally when I was cutting that trim. So I might replace that piece, I don't know. Where we in now? Show y'all a video of it in the car. Paint my grill also. Insert that grill. Alright.